What's up, lovely people? Welcome back. So based on the title, you know what I'm going to make, so let's get straight to it. So here I have all the ingredients. You will need some flour. I'm using some spelt flour, but if you don't have spelt flour, you can use any flour that you have on hand. Okay? You will need some ground flaxseed, ground cinnamon, ground cloves, oil. I'm using some extra virgin olive oil. You will need sugar. I'm using some raw cane sugar. You will need salt, baking powder, raw pumpkin seeds, vanilla extract, and some unsweetened plant-based milk. I'm using almond milk. You will also need an extra ripe plantain. Okay, make sure that your plantain is ripe. Now the full list and measurements of everything that I use will be listed in the description, so make sure you check that out. I'm going to make the flax egg first. So right here I have 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed, and to this I added 2.5 tablespoons of water. So you just want to give this a quick mix and then set it to the side until it forms like a gel-like consistency. In that meantime, I'm going to combine all the dry ingredients. So right here I'm going to add the salt, the baking powder, the cinnamon, and the clove. So now I'm going to add half of this pumpkin seed and save the rest to use later on. Let's move on to the wet ingredients. So to the blender, I'm going to add the plantain, the almond milk, the sugar, the flax egg, the vanilla extract, and the oil. Once you have combined all the ingredients, you should get a consistency like this. Once you have added the batter, just give it a quick shake, and that's just to make it a bit more even. So what I'm going to do now is to top this off with the remaining pumpkin seeds and then bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 50 minutes. So So 50 minutes later, plantain pumpkin seed bread is all done. So what I'm gonna do now is to place this on a baking rack for it to cool.
Hot.
That's my slice. Can I eat this one?
Yeah, really.
So there you have it, lovely people. This was moist and so good. I hope you all try and enjoy this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, subscribe for some more amazing recipes. Until next time, God bless.